Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm here and I'm back with a Fulani braid inspired video with no braiding here, just my natural hair. And it's not really a tutorial per se, it's more of you just watching me do my hair. So I hope you like it. Right, let's get straight into the video. So this is a product that I'm using to moisturize my hair, Kumeas Soft and Creamy Hair Smoothie. This is my leave-in, and I take a small amount and I apply it to damp hair. My hair is freshly washed in this video. So I ensure that I rub that in really good, and I'm going to seal in that moisture with this hair butter from the same Kumeas. So I'm taking that small amount, rubbing it into my hand so warm up the product, and then I'm going to add that from roots to ends. Then I'm going to take a small section and then I'm clipping that away. Then I'm going to take an even smaller section and then start to braid. And it's just a regular three strand braid, nothing complicated. I'm finger detangling right now because I'm not going to use a comb or brush, so I have to ensure that my hair is smooth so that when I take down my hair there won't be any problems. Then I just braid, nice and easy and simple. I won't be talking much in this video, it's just you looking at me doing my hair and listening to some music. I'll come back at the end of the video to do my outro, and I ensure that I rub that into my hair really good, and then I'm using this Kumeas moisturizing hair butter to seal in the moisture, and this is the amount that I am using. And I like to heat it with my hands to ensure that it's melted so that it will be able to coat my hair strands. And I like to massage that in from roots to ends. Now I'm separating my hair into two smaller sections and I'm flipping that section away. Then I'm going to separate that section into two sections and begin to braid my hair. And I ensure that I finger detangle each section because I'm not holding my hair, so I have to ensure that my hair is detangled, because you don't want to braid tangled hair, because when you take down your hair it's going to be one big mess, breakage, shedding, and we don't want that. We don't want the breakage. We don't want it. No sir. So this process is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to let this continue to play out until I reach to the front, then I will do a check-in. Now for the front, I'm just doing some basic cane rows. I'm going to do 2 cane rows at the side, and I don't know how to explain how to cane row, so you would have to look up a tutorial for that. But yeah, I'm not doing any fancy style. I'm just doing some simple cane rows because I wasn't in the mood to try to do any intricate styles with my hair. I just want it nice and cute and simple for work. And this is how the finished product looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so super duper cute, and you can wear this as half up, half down like I'm doing, or you can wear it in a top knot or in a ponytail. This hairstyle is super versatile. You can either add beads to it, like, oh, I wish I could do that for work. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and don't forget that God loves you. See you in the next one.